Hello viewers, welcome to D4 Learner. Today I will show you how to create a switch based network in Cisco Packet Tracer. That means the network will be connected through a switch. First of all, you need to take a switch. Take a switch from the menu. Then take some PC. Now connect the PC and switch by copper straight wire. Click on PC. Click on switch. Connect it with Ethernet. Connect each PC and switch using fast Ethernet. Now all PC and switch are connected. Now set IP address to each PC. The IP address must be different for each PC, but the network address should be same for each PC. Here the first 3 octets are network address. For each PC, first 3 octets will be same and the last octet will be different. You can use different network address. Now we have set 3 IP address to 3 PC. Now on bottom right corner you will see an arrow. Click on the arrow. A window will be expanded. Here you can see real-time view or simulation view of message transfer. Now take a packet. Click on 2 PC from where to where you want to send the packet. The packet sent is successful. We can see it in real-time view. If we want to view it in simulation view, then click on the simulation. Another pop-up window will be expanded. Now you can click the play button. Then the packet will be simulated and sent. Packet will be reached to the destination computer and then a response will be back to the source computer. If the response is sent successfully, then it will be success. You can see our message transfer is successful. After a successful message, the switch constantly sent message to each network. Switch wants to check whether there is a switch or router with their network. If there is no router or switch, every computer will reject the message. Thanks for watching. To get more videos, please subscribe my channel. You can find here many educational things.